morning ka, blessed. Diyos ko po, alas 10 na kami bumangon. Nagising kami kanina ng maaga, around 6. Tulog ulit, kasi Moana tulog pa naman. Tulog kami ulit. Alas 9, 9:22, tsaka si Moana nagising. As in, nagising. Ba't bumangon kami ngayon lang, alas 10. Grabe kapagod kahapon. Driving the whole day. My goodness. Mamaya unboxing tayo ng mga nabili kahapon. At symbol tayo ng ating office table. Pardon ka dyan. Maingay isa nakita ko tubig. So, ito yung mga nabili natin kahapon. Ito, lagayan ito ng cellphone. Patungan, Nagikutan lang si Daddy. Sabi niya, bagay ito doon sa sa office table mo. So, ayan. Suksok mo lang yung cellphone dyan. So, yung ito, kasya kahit may casing siya. So, okay lang. Kay Daddy, hindi kasya. Kasi yung casing niya makapal. So, yun ang itsura niya. Wala tayong ibang cellphone na katago. Then ito, mayroon kaming ganito, hindi ko alam kung saan napalagay ka, please. Hindi alam kung saan. So, bumili ako ulit para po nagbabarbecue kami. Then, ito, Ziploc. Kasi $1.20 na lang. For 25 pieces. So, not bad. Ano siya? Large. Which is good. Then, teaspoon. At ito pinili niya yung medyo medyo mahaba kasi nga daw pagkakain ng ice cream or anything. Kasi yung maiksi yung sa amin dito. Kapag kape. Hindi niya bet. So, ito. Medyo, ano natin. Baka makita natin pala. Ito. Unboxing ka niya. Unboxing nga eh. Ayan. Yan siya kabisi. So, 6 pieces ito. Teaspoon. Oh, can I get teaspoon? Thank you. So, ayan.
Mommy, don't go for the food.
Yes, for the kape, for the ice cream.
This one is for the coffee and the ice.
Yes, ayan. Oh, diba? Mahaba siya. Para sa kutsara. Pero teaspoon. And then, hanger. Bibili ako. $3 na lang. 10 piraso. So, dalawa binili ko. Marami na yung damit natin. Kulang na ang hanger.
Mommy,
Then, ito. Hangiran lang.
what's that?
It's a brush for barbecue.
This for you.
For barbecue. Kasi, pag marami ng mga katingan natin, kailangan natin ng kasi mag-ibigay na rin kasi. So, kasi may ganito tayo para sa mga panty. May just limuhan na pang school. Ano ito? Ano ba?
Daddy.
Then how to open this, Daddy? Hindi alam pa paano bubuksan. Nakmanting. Bibili-bili lang, hindi alam pa paano bubuksan. Iba naman kasi doon sa Pinas, sa atin.
Daddy, what's that? Daddy, what's that? Daddy, what's that?
It's a hanger, Moana. For the underwear, for Moana Soki. Yes.
Daddy. Daddy, this one's the home now.
Patay na. Hindi alam pa paano bubuksan. Ah,
It just looks.
ayun pala. Baka pala sa nakalap. Like cute, right? Like octopus.
I like a octopus.
You like octopus?
Mommy, that's the
Cute, oh. Yes, it's octopus. Look at the eyes. Octopus nga.
Hey, it's an octopus.
Nakit. Oh, diba? At least.
mommy.
How much is this then? $6?
Mommy, I'm not too octopus. Mommy, that's like the octopus.
So, yun ang ating unboxing, ka blessed.
I put the hair.
We are going Manjimop, ka blessed. At mag-shopping tayo dun. Hindi naman shopping. Bibili na ng Yakult sa tinapay. Wala kasing Yakult dito sa HEA. And then, buto-buto na beef. Maglalaga tayo. Magsasabaw tayo for today's vlog. So, ayan. See you there. Sana makapag-video tayo doon. Pakapakita nyo din. Yeah, home na ka blessed. Just put it here lang. Ito yung nabili natin. Para sa ating nilagang. Ano mamaya? And then bread. And corn. Ayan. Bumili tayo nito. Then our lunch is this one. Ayan. Naging lunch natin. And then nakabili tayo ng panglamig na naman na shoes. Ayan. Tinapon ko na yung luma ko ka blessed. Kasi kawawa na. Needs to resign. This one is look good. Yeah! Ay, ako naman. Ayan. And then, may iba na
Coat.
yeah, nakabili tayo ng bagong mga tumbler ni
Mommy,
Moana.
my what's that?
Shampoo, conditioner, and
My what's that?
yeah, your tumbler. Ice pack ito ka blessed para sa baonan ni Moana. Ito pa, heater. Ayan. Saka daw sa ating office table. Sana all. Then this one, mamaya para sa pampatay ng damo. Kailangan natin yun. Ayan na ang ating office table, mga ka-blessed. Tada! Oh, diba? Saan ka pa? Ah! Diba? Nice! Hi! Good morning, world! Good morning, ka-blessed! Da? So, ang printer dyan, ang ating laptop, dito na din. And then, ang upuan yan, the seat is here. Assemble na naman natin yan. Dapat maganda upuan yan dito eh. Walang available ka, blessed. Out of stock na siya. So, for the meantime, ganyan na muna ang upuan natin para dito. But nice. Look at that. O, diba? Diyos ko, nangangarap ka magkaroon ng office dito. Tapos wala ka naman trabaho. Kung naman nag-office-officean ka lang. Sorry. Nice. So nice. So, ating laptop dito. And the rest of the thing. Tada! Nandyan na ating printer. At ang ating laptop. Oh, char. So, char.
And your stapler.
And the stapler. Kasi stapler namin is always walking around home. Most of the time, you don't know where.
No, you just put it in a drawer.
Oh, nice. Yan ang itsura ng ating office. Table, ka-blessed. Oh, diba? Tower lang. Good evening, ka-blessed. Ayan ang ating
The mouse
hapunan
not to play
ngayon.
inside his spring wheel. This is his spring
Naglaga ako ng buto-buto ng baka. Ayan.
This one.
Ano lang nilagay ko? Sibuyas lang. Wala pala akong luya.
wheel. If you listen very close, you
And then, nilagyan ko na ng laman ng unti ng baka.
Daddy,
Yan.
Daddy, what's that?
Hintayin natin. Oh, lumambot unti.
Take
Nilagyan natin ng carrot. Ay, carrot.
his home is very comfortable.
Mais.
It's nice and warm inside.
Patatas.
Yeah.
Ang gulay natin
With the
is
bed.
ganito lang. Kasi
That is
walang
that squeaky
pag-ipit
wheel.
sa'yo sa
He
labas.
likes
Yeah.
to play with all his toys.
Daddy,
And especially loves to hide.
Then, ito gagawin kong stage. Para
Yeah,
sa kanya.
books.
Kay daddy kasi yun ang gusto niya.
It's letter. Also
Nalit na may magluto kasi nga
Daddy, Dad, I want
nalibang kami
Mm-hmm.
kaka-assemble ng ating office table.
And when he wants to come outside,
But
he
okay
likes
lang.
sitting in your
Maaga pa
palm.
din naman.
So he can sit.
Hindi na ako magsasayang kasi nga may kanin pa.
If he's talking
Okay
very
pa naman yung
gently,
kanin natin.
you can't do him any harm.
So, it's all good.
Like that.
Lagay ko kayo dyan para
So you hold the mouse like that. And you just hold that. Yes, like that. Then it's all good.
Yeah.
So if you see mouse one day, you might think of Montalvo.
usapang ano sila, usapang ilaga. Nagluluto ako, nag-usapang ilaga naman sila.
Yes.
Yo, Abby's Moana. Oh, he's Abby's Moana. And that's a tree and.
Mm-hmm. And here you see what mouse is doing. They're eating cheese.
Yes, the mouse is hungry.
Mm-hmm. So now we can take this away, okay?
Okay.
Because we have seen now how it works.
Daddy will become a recording
And
artist.
now I have an understanding what to do. Well, at least I have an idea. Because you can do a lot with these cables. So the system works, but you just need to have the right cable. And then it's all sweet. When you have the right cables.
Bumili pala ako ng mais kanina ka blessed. Sa Woolworth, $1.90. Then, sa Coles, $1 lang. Anak ng tete. Doon kasi dapat isa lang bibilhin ko. Sabi ko, ay, damihan ko na kasi mas bumaba ngayon ang presyo ng mais. Kasi minsan, ito yan siya $2 or $3. Pagdating sa Coles, mas cheaper pa pala. Anak ng tete. Ay, parang nalugi ako.
Daddy.
Yeah, that can all go in there. I will come and help you in a minute. But first, I'm gonna do the heater. Before it's getting colder, we have to start from scratch. Okay. Okay.
Wala tayong phone dito. I mean, charging nandun na lahat. Baka isang kalat lang.
I'll put other charges. Just give me that.
Nakakamiss ng sabaw. Then, how about yours?
I have that long USB cable, right?
Yeah, then this one.
Yeah. On the right one,
Ah,
because that's the normal USB. So you can put that on. Mm-hmm.
wrong way. It can't be na problema. May kasi pakialamera eh. Magaling ka eh. Tingnan natin, hindi ko malambot na eh.
I will show you. I put this one back and I will show you, alright? But the box need to be flat anyway, but I will show you.
Mommy, what's that smell?
It's the
You wanna learn it,
soup.
Lola?
Yes.
Then open it. Now you close it, so you can open
Tigas pa ka, blessing.
Remember?
Bukas kaya natin makain.
Come in there, right? So now you put and then you put this one. Right? Now it's okay, so we need to make it flat. We need to make it flat. So it can go open. Just make it open.
Naalala ko pala. Si Moana, hindi pala kumakain ng baka. Paano ba yan mamaya? Hindi siya nakain. Lagyan natin ang ating mais. Kalimutan ko. Hindi pa siya kumakain ng baka. Nasipan ko lang kasi magsabaw. Noong isang araw pa ito dapat eh. Wala kang makitang distributin ng baka.